Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix COD Modern Warfare 4, get an app to open this ms-xbl link, Xbox Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 through the Xbox app. You may click the install option and suddenly receive a message saying, get an app to open this ms-xbl link. If you're seeing this error, the important thing to understand is that the problem may not actually be with the game itself. The ms-xbl link is a special Windows protocol used to connect links from the Xbox ecosystem with the Xbox app and related Microsoft gaming services. Normally, when you click an Xbox-related game link, Windows recognizes that protocol and automatically sends the request to the appropriate Xbox application. However, if that connection is broken, incorrectly registered, or affected by an issue with the Xbox app, Windows doesn't know which application should handle the link. That's why, instead of opening the game page or starting the installation, Windows displays the Get an app to open this ms-xbl link message. Another confusing part is that you may search for the game directly inside the Xbox app and still not find the version you're looking for. This can happen when the Xbox app hasn't properly received the game information, or when a particular game listing isn't being displayed correctly in the application. The good news is, you don't necessarily need to keep searching through the Xbox app. A useful workaround is to access the official Xbox or Microsoft game listing through your browser. The browser can open the game's official store page directly, where the game is associated with your Microsoft account. Once you're on the correct game page and you're signed in to the Microsoft account that has access to the game, you'll typically see an option to install or install to Xbox app, depending on the game in your account. When you select that option, Windows can pass the installation request directly to the Xbox application instead of relying on the broken link you encountered earlier. The Xbox app should then open and recognize the game, allowing the installation process to continue normally. So, the main idea behind this fix is simple. Instead of trying to locate the game from inside the Xbox app, open its official game page in your browser and use the installation option from there. This can bypass the ms-xbl link issue and help the Xbox app correctly recognize the game. If you're still unable to install it afterward, make sure you're signed in to the same Microsoft account in both your browser and the Xbox app. And that's it. If this explanation helped you understand and fix the issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more gaming troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.